Addition and subtraction of whole numbers of at least 5 digits. Expanded vertical method. Big numbers can also be added or subtracted in column form. See how you can easily add the numbers 43,761 and 11,856 in column form shown. You can start by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 1,000 and then adding them to estimate the answer. Then write down the numbers into expanded form below each other. Then add 10,000s to 10,000s, thousands to thousands, hundreds to hundreds, tens to tens, and units to units. Continue adding to get the answer. Equals 55,500 plus 110 plus 7 equals 55,617.
Need more help? Ask Maskey to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.